Have you ever pondered what the future of freight transport might look like? As we sit here today, the freight industry is a diesel-powered colossus, a behemoth that keeps the wheels of commerce turning, but at a cost. The environmental footprint is significant, and the economic challenges of maintaining these smoke-belching giants are ever increasing. But imagine a different scenario. Picture the highways filled with electric trucks, humming along silently, efficiently with zero carbon emissions. No longer would we be at the mercy of fluctuating fuel prices, and the cost of maintenance would be a fraction of what it is today. The future of freight transport is not a far-off concept, but rather a burgeoning reality that is being shaped as we speak. Electrification is not just a buzzword, it's a potential solution to many of the challenges we face in the freight industry today. As we stand on the precipice of a new era, we must ask, could electric trucks be the future of freight transport? The wheels of change are already in motion. As we traverse the highway of progress, we find ourselves in the midst of a transportation revolution, one that's electric to its very core. This is not just a revolution of technology, but of thought, of approach, and most importantly, of action. The freight industry, long dominated by diesel-powered behemoths, is now witnessing the emergence of a new breed of trucks. Electric trucks, silent and sleek, are beginning to roll out onto our roads, signaling a seismic shift in freight transportation. These vehicles are the brainchildren of pioneers, visionaries who dared to dream and dared to do. Among them we find Tesla, Rivian and Nikola, brands that have become synonymous with electric mobility. But what makes these electric trucks truly revolutionary? Well, it's the potential benefits they bring to the table. Imagine a world where freight transportation doesn't contribute to air pollution. That's what electric trucks promise. A significant reduction in carbon emissions. They represent a clean, green alternative to their diesel counterparts, one that's kinder to our planet. But it's not just about the environment. Electric trucks also promise lower fuel costs. With electricity being cheaper than diesel, the operational costs of these vehicles are significantly less. This means that businesses can not only reduce their carbon footprint, but also their expenses. It's a win-win situation. And let's not forget about efficiency. Electric trucks, with their instant torque and smooth acceleration, are inherently more efficient than diesel trucks. This means they can cover more ground in less time, increasing the efficiency of freight transportation. Yet, as promising as this all sounds, the path to an electric future is not without its bumps. The infrastructure for electric vehicles is still in its infancy, and the initial cost of electric trucks is higher than that of their diesel counterparts. But these challenges are not insurmountable. They are merely stepping stones on the path to progress. The revolution is here, but it's not without its challenges. The wheels of change are in motion, and they're powered by electricity. The future of freight transportation is here, and it's electric. The road to a cleaner, more efficient freight industry is not without its obstacles. As we traverse this path, we confront several challenges, primary among them being the high upfront costs associated with electric trucks. These costs are largely due to the lithium-ion batteries, a crucial component of these vehicles, which currently command a steep price. Then we have the issue of limited range. Today's electric trucks cannot match the mileage of their diesel counterparts on a single charge. This leads to the problem of range anxiety among potential adopters, a valid concern in an industry where timely delivery is paramount. Another significant hurdle is the lack of a widespread charging infrastructure. While urban areas are seeing a gradual increase in charging stations, the same cannot be said for rural areas and long-distance routes, the very heartlands of freight transport. However, every challenge presents an opportunity. Government incentives, for instance, are helping offset the initial costs of electric trucks. Various countries are offering generous subsidies, tax breaks and grants to encourage the adoption of these vehicles. Technological advancements are another beacon of hope. As research and development forge ahead, we can expect improvements in battery technology that will increase the range of electric trucks. Innovations in fast-charging technology are also on the horizon, promising to reduce charging times significantly. Moreover, the development of charging networks is gaining momentum. Private enterprises and public utilities are investing in the expansion of charging infrastructure, paving the way for a future where charging an electric truck is as convenient as refueling a diesel one. The journey may be fraught with challenges, but the destination promises a future of cleaner, more efficient freight transport. Embracing electric trucks will not only help reduce the carbon footprint of the freight industry, but also lower operating costs in the long run. The road may be steep and winding, but the view from the top, a sustainable and efficient freight industry, is well worth the climb.